Lyn from Fixin with Zoe Lyn Racing. And today we're at McClure Motorsports and we're going to be putting in a Honda standalone harness. I got the standalone harness from Fixin with Zoe Lyn Racing and McClure Motorsports' newest sponsor, Southeast Performance. I want to give a huge shout out to Alan Carter for making it and shipping it out so quickly. You're making race season possible for us. Thank you. Now let's check out the new motor. This is so self-explanatory that Alan doesn't even need to give me instructions. Everything's labeled on its own. Plus, I would have threw away the instructions. Looking at my harness, this must go through the firewall. Now I'm looking for my vehicle speed sensor. It's gonna say VSS. Found it. Then I just have to plug that in down there. Oh look, and this is where my grounding goes. Now I'm gonna tighten it with a wrench. Now we're working on the down branch. We're starting with the starter. It's labeled STR. Now we have to plug in our distributors. It's labeled DIST. This one goes right here, and this one goes right here. Oh yeah. Now it's time to put on my throttle body wires. My throttle position sensor goes right here. My map sensor goes right here. And my idle air control goes down here. Now it's time to put in our last piece of harness. Our alternator goes down here. Oh, it's hard to reach. Got it. Now I have to put in my injectors. Alan has it labeled, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4. Now we have to put in our intake air temp sensor. It goes right here. Let me show you how I installed my fuse box. I took my fuse box case and made a template out of paper. Then I measured and laid out where I wanted it to go. And I cut it out using the world's worst Dremel. I would have filmed it, but it took an hour. I really need a new Dremel. Can someone send me one? Now, Mike is gonna install these wires into his switch box, these ones into his accessories. The fuse box plugs in to the harness. And these are gonna go in my computer. Mike has to run the power and ground to the fuse box to make it work. This was the easiest harness I've ever installed. I want to thank Mike for building this amazing race car. I also want to thank Alan Carter from Southeast Performance for the amazing harness. You've been watching Fixin' It with Zoe Lyn Racing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you for watching. Bye! I took my foosball case. I took my foosball box.
Yeah, true.